p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Neville. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Statesboro, Metter, Brooklet, Hagen, Portal, Pulaski, Register, Nevels, Align, Georgia Southern, Hope You Like It, and Denmark. This warning includes Interstate 16 between mile markers 99 and 126. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Report damage directly to the Charleston National Weather Service at 888-383-2024 when it is safe to do so.